Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel BK Vocal. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is the major happening thing in the market now. Work area at home. What's how your environment should be, how it makes you more lively when you're sitting at home and working. Because a lot of people have given inputs they are not able to sit continuously and work and all those things. So I thought this is the right time for me to get on and then do something which is really helpful for people. This would help all sector of people, whether it is students or the employees, all those people. So let's begin with a quotation. A pleasant environment tranquilize your mind preceding to success. The environment is the major thing which will lead you to the success. So let's begin the show. Arrange your table, keep a live plant which would definitely give you a lot of oxygen in and around, and then you have some bright flowers which would keep blossoming or give you nice smell. That would definitely add to the environment that you're functioning or you're sitting and working. The next important thing is having a water bottle along with a glass, and the most important thing is the sand timer. The timer should be of 1 to 2 hours time, because every 2 hours or 1 hour if you drink water, that would ease a lot of stress. So this is a very important thing. So go ahead and keep it on the table. So next is a very important thing, very basic thing, the calendar, but with quotations written on it. That would definitely keep motivating when you start your work, right? So hope people are liking the tips that I'm giving. The next most important thing is a book or a diary and a pen, because you will have to write a lot of stuff when you're sitting at home, jotting down their numbers, your client numbers, or your friends' numbers, or anything, whatever you're talking about. Probably a programmer would write some code or some intelligent concept when they are actually sitting and doing. Some analysts might jot down some numbers which will definitely help them to do something, calculate it, and then get them the right solution. So the two most important things next we are going to talk is on your laptop and your mobile phone. These are the major things which have become a part of our life from last 2 months and more. I guess it has been there, but now laptop and mobile are the major things in the life. So set center to your table, your laptop, enjoy your time, and then right side. Why? It's always important to have your mobile on the right side if you are a right-hander. If you are a left-hander, it is left. It is always better because it should be in your reach. That would definitely give. One small suggestion is you can have a mobile holder which is placed if you're really interested. If you have a car and you got your mobile holder there, as we are not out of house, so let's get that and then use that mobile holder. And then very important thing is have some chocolates and fresh fruits. That would definitely keep you motivated when you go low or when you feel hungry. So, these are few things which I felt are important for everyone to keep your environment very lively and to enjoy your thing. The last but not the least, the most important thing is your headphone. See, you've been taking a lot of calls. You might get a call from your manager, from your team member, or from your colleagues, or from your clients. So all these things, rather than always picking up your phone, answering it, so it's more easier if you have a headphone or earphone. That would solve most of your problems. Hope you like the points that I've given. Just implement these and see. I'm sure you will be making a lot of difference to the work you're doing. All the best, guys. Enjoy your day. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for listening to the video and then understanding it. I would wind up with a quotation. Keep it simple. That will lead you to your path of success or the success path. Enjoy your day. Take care. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. and share it with your friends if you'll like it. Thank you once again. Let's wait and catch up for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.